Now the death toll following the mudslides in Chesongoch Elgeyo Marakwet County has risen to 26. This is after the retrieval of 4 more bodies on Sunday in the ongoing search for missing persons. Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen says 25 people are still missing. 21 others are hospitalized across various hospitals, including Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. 4 of them are in critical condition. He is Giverson Minor with the details.
A multi-agency team comprising the military, police, disaster management center and humanitarian emergency organizations, including the Kenya Red Cross, have sustained operations in Chesongoch Elgeyo Marakwet County in the search for 25 persons who are still missing.
Kwa wale ambao bado hawajapatikana 25, of course tuko na wasiwasi sana kwamba wanaweza kuwa wako kwa njia ya hatari.
Assuring the government support, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen, who is leading the rescue team on the ground, said the affected community is yet to come to terms with the reality of the tragedy.
Familia moja, kuna familia karibu watu 7 wamepoteza watu 7 safari moja. Hii sio janga ambayo ni kitu rahisi, ni chungu sana.
For those who have been injured, the government of Kenya is going to pay all the hospital bills. For those who have lost their lives, the families who are grieving, the government of Kenya is going to stand with all these families who are grieving at the moment.
According to the Kenya Red Cross, access to affected areas remains a challenge. This necessitating the use of an aerial search through drones and choppers.
In as much as, yes, we are in a response situation, we want to look at long-term measures, and we are going to engage the communities further to ensure that they are moving to safer grounds and avoiding farming on those highlands.
Tumeanza hii kasta moja na tumepata mwili moja na bado tunaendelea mpaka jioni tuone vile itakuwa.
Nasikia ilikuwa 64 years. Mwaka 64 zilizopita ambao janga kama hili lilifanyika.
Currently, displaced families are hosted at Chesongoch Primary School, where they are receiving humanitarian aid in terms of medical supplies, foodstuffs, clothing and shelter. Governor Stephen Sang of Nandi, Jonathan B. of Rosingishu, Wesley Rotich of Elgeyo Marakwet, and National Treasury PS Chris Kipto are among leaders mobilizing help for the affected population.
This place is still inaccessible, so we have machines here which came from Rosingishu, Kena, Kura. We want to try and see if we can, at least one road can be passable to the scene.
Mimi nataka kuomba nikiwa chairman ya region hii kazi tusaidiane mpaka hii maisha ya watu irudi normal.
And I think most important is to ensure that we deepen our efforts to conserve the environment.
Meanwhile, those living in areas prone to landslides have been urged to relocate as heavy rain continues to pour.
Wabunge wetu mwambie wananchi wale wako kwa miteremko zaidi wasonge katika safer areas.
We have deployed our teams to coordinate together with other ministries, Ministry of Interior, to ensure that the families who have lost their loved ones, we can provide psychosocial support.
Giverson Minor, Sunday Express.